So this is the update on the garden right now. You guys know that this year I did not really plant much. I'll show you what I have. Don't forget to subscribe and like and drop your comments. So these are the tomato plants. If you look closely, you will see that they're already beginning to flower, and then they need pruning seriously. You can see the lower leaves are yellowing. It is because of overcrowding, but I want them to be together so that the people that come to play with them and to molest them will be discouraged. If you space them out, then they are more likely to be attacked by animals and children. So that is why they are close together. But they are already flowering. And from flowering, the next thing is to start producing tomatoes. Some have already started producing. So you can see even the ones at the back, a lot of yellowing has happened. So I'm going to make out time and come and trim them off. So these are what the tomatoes look like at this time. So as I said before, some have already started producing the fruits. So this is the one that has already started producing. So this is the one that has already started producing, and I hope the children will allow it to produce and ripen. So let's move to the next part. So as I said before, you can see this one has been damaged by the small puppy and the children. So I hope they will leave this one to survive. So next up, let us check out the finger millets. If you remember, I started them from seed, put them in the nursery, and now I just wanted to show you guys the difference between finger millet and grass. You can see the height that they are at right now, and this one is already producing those flowers at the top. That is how you differentiate the finger millet from grass. So that particular one I touched is grass. See the real finger millet, it has not yet reached the height of producing those flowers at the top. So this is the size of the finger millet right now. And this is in the compound, so I noticed that they do better in the open field. But they are looking healthy, and you can see manure has been applied. So I'm going to continue to go ahead to watch them to see how well they do. Next up, let me just show you guys the sweet corn. So you can see they've already produced, and let's say in the next 30 days we'll be looking forward to harvesting sweet corn. So these are what they look like. Almost all of them have children at the back, as it were. So the corn is satisfactory in my opinion. So guys, this is the garden update. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Chat me up, what did you plant this year?